Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we see how to change items property in wincc portal using vbscript. Items like button, circle, text field, label gauge, slider gauge have property like color, border, style, font color, appearance, visibility, enable or disable items. In vbscript these property also changed when particular event triggered. In this video we have basic example to change some property like background color change background and font color and increase and decrease items property. This property are easily changed with vbscript. vbscript is very simple language to learn and understand. It is a first example here we change background color of screen and IO field items of screen when button is pressed. Select exact same name of items and screen to change property of items and screen. If you select wrong item name then your script not work properly. This line change background color of the screen and screen elements to red when button is pressed or script triggered. After creating vbscript check error in script by pressing compile button. If your script have no error then add this script to a button press event. Open screen and select button and then open even property. In press button event set vbscript. After adding start simulation of screen so we test vbscript. As you see background color is changed when button is pressed. Next script to change font color of IO field, text field and screen background color. Add text field and arranged in screen properly. Open tag table and add a input1 tag so we read input value of IO field. This script change background color and font color when value of input-output field reached to maximum value. Add input1 tag to input-output field so we can read tag in vbscript. Smart tag keyword read tag from tag table or HMI. Select proper tag and then add a if-else condition chan color as per condition. IO field value equals smart tags, input1. This line fetches the value of the input1 tag using the smart tags function. This value can come from a sensor or another input source in the system. Updates the text displayed in the text field by appending the value of input1 to the string current value of input-output field is. Now add condition to change color by using if-else statement. First condition. Input1 less than 50. Sets the text color of screen element to red and screen background color to white. When the value is less than 50. In second condition. Input1 greater than 50. Sets the text color of screen element to green and screen background color to black when the value is greater than 50. Now check error of vbscript by compiling vbscript. After error check add this script to input finished event of input-output field. Open screen select IO field and then open event property. In event property select input finished and then add vbscript. Now you can see as per our vbscript screen background color and screen element font color is changed. This change is depend on value of input-output field. In this vbscript we understand how to change radius of an wincc HMI items using vbscript. So add a circle, and two button. First button used for increment and second button is used for decrement. Now create a 2 vbscript first script increment radius of circle by 10 and second vbscript decrement circle radius by 10. After compile both script, add these two script in button pressed event property. vbscript or Visual Basic Script is a scripting language used for developing and design of automation and scripting tasks. vbscript is commonly used for scripting within HMI environments to automate repetitive tasks, such as tag values, visualization task, alarm handling, network error handling, administrative tasks, etc. vbscript is more user-friendly scripting language, so it is mostly used in industrial control system. It is based on Microsoft's Visual Basic Programming Language and is primarily used for automating tasks. In wincc, vbscript help to designing more user-friendly graphical user interface. wincc HMI also support vbscript. This video only for wincc HMI scripting. You can use this script language in wincc software or wincc TIA portal. In simulation, you can check how your actual work in HMI. After assigning script in button event, simulate program to test. Now we have two script: increment script and decrement script. When increment button is pressed, then circle radius increment by 10, and if the decrement button is pressed, then circle radius decrement by 10. You can also change height, width, border color, etc.